there, I'm Esther Freeman, and today I'm going to be reviewing and talking about Ipsy, which is a company that sends you a monthly bag. It's a really cute bag of about 5 travel size items that they pick out for you based off of your interests and what you put into the subscription. They send you 5 makeup products or skincare products or hair care products, and it's kind of like a cute, fun little surprise that you get every month, and it's only $12 a month. And so I really wanted to actually unbox my April bag today. When you purchase a subscription, you can look on the app every month to see what you're gonna get in the bag, but that kind of kills the fun for me because I really like it to be a surprise. But today I'm gonna be showing you this. I've had an Ipsy subscription for probably, well, I mean, let's count the bags I have. I have this one, super cute. This one was August. This one was definitely September. And this one was actually March. And these bags now, I just use them for storage, for like organization, for my other makeup products, but it's so much fun because you just get these cute, tiny travel size things. And actually, I usually end up using and finding stuff that I really, really like without having to go out and like pay for stuff. But it's a really great way to find new makeup products without having to buy stuff. And I feel like my makeup game has definitely been upped. Like this mascara I got from Ipsy, the stuff I use for my eyebrows I got from Ipsy, my highlighter, my blush. Like I basically don't even have to buy makeup anymore unless I want to rebuy something that I got in my Ipsy bag. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Ooh, this is so cute. This reminds me a lot of my sister. Blues are some of my favorites. You can probably see a lot of blue on my channel, blue and pink. So in this bag, I have this wonderful lip balm that's colored in the shade of Rose. Every single month when you get your Ipsy bag, you actually get to pick out one of the products. So this is the one that I picked, so I did know I was gonna get this. Everything else is a surprise. Okay, so this is a bronze eyeshadow palette. Ooh, super pretty. Okay, next we have Glow on Fifth Beauty Smooth as Silk Hand and Body Scrub. That's so cool. Whoa, that's awesome. You also get this cute little paper for the month. The theme is Force of Nature, and then they give you a little, what's it called? Oh, a little pamphlet with everything that is in your bag in there and descriptions of it. That's so cool. I actually didn't know that. That's great. Then I got this Dead Sea mud mask. So apparently this month the theme is more like natural and kind of taking care of your skin. So I think I probably got more skin stuff. Okay, nice. Super cute packaging though too. Oh my gosh, nail polish. This is such a cute shade. I love the kind of like mauve shades. So that is all that came in this Ipsy bag. Super, super cute. I think probably some of the favorite things that have come in my Ipsy bag are the Benefit Eyebrow Pencil. It's really, really nice. I use it every day. And then the actually Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. They gave me a travel size of that and I wore it out. They give me bronzer, highlighter. They give me a Milk Cosmetics blush stick. It was so cute. I felt so influencery using it. But that is all. That's the whole video. Honestly, it's a pretty short video, but I just wanted to walk you guys through Ipsy, the process, and just how fun it is to receive that kind of stuff, especially in light of COVID where you can't go into the makeup stores and try stuff on. So thanks so much for tuning in. I hope this was helpful, and I actually highly recommend Ipsy. I think it's 10 out of 10 brand, and I love that they introduce you to even smaller makeup brands and skincare brands without even having to leave your house. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope I see you again soon. Bye!